Hi traders, hope you had a great trading week. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Now last week the euro yen failed up here at weekly resistance 159.75. Are we forming a major double top up here? Closing back below what was weekly support over here at 157.99. So at the start of the week I'm going to be watching 158.65 daily resistance. Can we come up to form a lower top? So do we come up and retest this level, hold for a move down towards daily support at 156.84 and a weekly support at 156.58. Are we moving down towards those levels this week? But at the start of the week I'm going to be watching 158.65. Does that get retested to be resistance for a further week down this week? Okay traders, that's my analysis for today. If you want to keep up to date with my analysis, simply subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you next time.